Welcome to Side Hustles from Canada. In today's video, I will show you how you can create this design on Canva. This design says, "In my pink Christmas era." This is a very famous design, and if you go to Google, you can see a lot of people are selling this design on their Shopify stores. You can see this design on Etsy and many other platforms too. Some people are even selling the PNG, the digital file of this product, for $6. So in today's video, I will show you how you can create this design with your own twist and tweaks, and I have created my very own version. So first we need the image of Grinch for our t-shirt design. So I asked chatgpt to create me a prompt so that I can create images from AI image generators. I am sharing my very rough idea and it created me a prompt. And first I asked chatgpt to create me an image since I'm using the free version. So I used ideogram, Leonardo AI, FreePic image generator and Microsoft for today's video, and I will share the results. I copied this prompt and I pasted this prompt on all the image generators. Here first you can see the image generated by chatgpt, and I really don't like it very much. I copied the prompt and now I will show you how I created other images from other AI image generators. Here we are on Microsoft image generator. I pasted the prompt. Meanwhile it's generating the image. I'm going to ideogram. I will paste the same prompt created by chatgpt on all the AI image generators. So we will compare the results. So now I'm using FreePic AI image generator. I'm using this AI for the first time for this video, and they have a paid plan as well. We are using free plan. They have so many options. I'm going for the illustration one. You can create a cartoon version or comic version, and we will see what kind of images they will create. So here you can see the images created by Microsoft AI image generator, and we are not looking for this kind of images. Now I am on ideogram, and here you can see these are the images created by ideogram. And now I will share the images created by FreePic. Here you can see. So now I'm writing another prompt, and from this prompt I will generate some more images. There's a surprise at the end of the video. I hope you will like that surprise. So this is my second prompt, and now I will show you what kind of images this prompt created. I am again using all those AI image generators, and now I will share you the results we get from the second prompt. Here I am on FreePic and I am pasting the second prompt, and the same second prompt on all the other platforms. And here you can see Microsoft AI image generator has created these images, and I don't like any one of them. And here we are on ideogram, and there is too much text on these images, and this is what FreePic has created. I like the first one, and I'm using the first one because I think it's much better than all the other images. In the end I used Leonardo AI because I always trust this AI image generator. Usually it generates very good images, but for today's image I didn't get what I'm expecting. I pasted the second prompt, and this is what I get. So without wasting further time, I'm using the first image created by FreePic AI image generator. I downloaded the file, and as you all know, whenever you are creating an image by an AI image generator. The file size is always very small, so we always upscale our image. For that I'm using DGB LOL. It's so far the best one. Here you can see we have two versions of DGB LOL. The first one is a quick upscaler. Here you can upscale your image within 5 minutes. So I'm uploading my file. The second version of DGB LOL is this one. Here you have so many options. You can upscale your image up to 8x, but it will take 2 hours normally. It's quite busy. So as I told you, this is an edited video, so I already upscaled my image, and this part is for the video only. I want to show you guys. It's up to you. You can either use the quick image or the second one. So now this is our upscaled file. Now we will go to Canva, and here you have the option of custom size. Here we will write 4500 into 5400 pixel, and this will create a template for our t-shirt design. So now we will upload our download file from the upload option. So first of all we will go to the edit option, and here we have the tool, the grab image tool. I'm using this tool. You have to simply click on the image and it will grab the Grinch image from this file. Later on we will clean this file using the erase tool, and here you can see it grabbed the image. We will delete the rest of the file, so we don't need the shoes in this image. And here you can see we have some text over the top of the file. So again we are going in the edit option, and here we will use the erase tool to erase the unwanted image. I am erasing the shoes of the Grinch and this text image. You have to zoom your file so we can edit the very small unwanted images. So there's a small unwanted detail above the hat. We will erase this, and later on we will erase the shoes as well. So now I am erasing the shoes as well, and later on we will zoom our image to make sure there is no unwanted details in the image. And here I will show you the leftovers. You should be very careful over here. Your hand should be very steady. And now we will see the final result. Here you can see in the duplicate one the Grinch is wearing the shoe, and in the final image we have erased the shoe. Okay, now we will fill our image with Christmas elements. First of all you will go to elements, and here you will write Christmas candies. You have so many options. There are two types of images. Whenever you click on image, sometimes you have the option to change the color of that element. Here I will show you an example. So here as you can see, whenever you click on an element, for sub elements you have the option to change the colors. As you can see, I have changed the color of this candy. I'm using different elements just to show you guys the variety. Make sure to use the same color for all the candies. So after candies we will add the next element, that is a white Christmas tree. In the element section you will write white Christmas tree, and once again you have so many options. This is an edited video and I really don't want to make it very lengthy. So I fast forward it, and once you choose your Christmas tree, you can align it on the pink circle, and I like this one, the plain one, so it will pop out on the pink background. After adding the Christmas tree, our next element is stars. Once again, you have two options. Either you can simply paste a bright pink star, or you can simply choose any star and change its color. I'm clicking on the elements so that I can see whether I can change its color or not. So whenever you click on an element in the color palette, it will show you all the colors you are already using in the design, so you can take advantage of that option on Canva, and so that we have a similar color, a same color throughout our design. Now we need a circle to place behind this pink circle. Basically, we are creating a boundary for our design. So after this, I will choose a shade for the circle, and then we will right click on the circle, and here on the layer section, from the layer option, you will click on the back option, and in this way the circle, it will move on the back end of the image, and in this way we have created a boundary around our image. Whenever you are creating a design, always zoom your design so you can see very minor differences in the design. So once again, I'm aligning all my elements. As you can see, we have some negative space in our design. That means we have to fill that space. So I'm filling this image with some more stars. This time I'm using the white color and the different stars. Later on, I will use some black stars so that our design will pop up on the pink background. So our main design is almost ready. Now I will show you the one I have shown you in the beginning of the video on Google, and here you can see we have created our design almost like all the other designs from scratch by using AI. After adding the stars, we will go on the text option in the Canva, and here we will write our text. Now we will simply add the text, and for that we will go in the text option, and here I will click on the text. I'm choosing the heading one, and first we will change the color of the text. I'm choosing the white one, and I will write the text. Here I will write in my pink, and in the lower section of the image I will write Christmas era. All you have to do is simply duplicate the text and edit it. I've tried so many fonts on Canva, but I didn't like anyone. So first we will go to the effects, and here I will show you how you can change the look of this text. Later on I will show you how you can upload your very own font in Canva. So here you can see I've changed the look of the text. Here you can see you can simply drag it on the left side, and that's how you can change the curve of the text. As you can see, there's a difference in the alignment of both the text. So I have done so many experiments, so this is not the final one. We will change it later on. Every single time you choose a font, you can see that there's a difference in the gap between the circle and your curve of the text. You can align the text later on. I just want to show you guys how you can align your text. So now I'm going to Google, and here we will find some Christmas fonts for our design. There's one thing you should keep in mind, that there are so many fonts, but they are all for personal use. You cannot use them for your design. They have specially mentioned it along with the font that it's not for commercial use. So always check whether you can use it or not. Here on the Google, as you can see, I wrote Christmas font, free download and commercial use. And I will show you some examples. From here I downloaded a font which is free for commercial use, and it's called Christmas pudding font. I like so many fonts, but you are not allowed to use them. So I like this one. Whenever you will download a font, you always get a zip file. So we cannot upload a zip file on Canva. For that, we always unzip the file. Whatever is in the file, you always copy it and copy it from the file and paste it somewhere else, so we can upload it in the Canva. So now I'm simply copying all those files from the zip folder and I'm pasting them on the desktop as well. And now I will go in the Canva, and in Canva you have the brand option. You will simply click this brand option, and here you will find the font option. As you can see here, from the font option, when you click on the font option, you have the option of uploading a font, and we will select all those files from the desktop that I have just shown you. And by doing this, you can upload the font in Canva, the font that we have just downloaded from the Google, the Christmas pudding font. So after downloading that font from the Google and uploading that font in Canva, now we will simply change our font in the design. Here I am showing you this clip again because this is a bit tricky. If you try to upload the zip file directly in Canva, it will show you an error. So now we will change the font. We have uploaded the font in Canva. You will simply go to the font section, and here you will write Christmas pudding font and you will get the font. Now the next step is we will duplicate the text and change its color. So our original font is in white color, so we will duplicate it and then we will change the color. I have changed it into a darker pink shade, and then we will right click on the text, and from here we will go in the layer section, and from here you will click on the back option. So the color that you have chosen, the pink, it will go behind the white color. It's up to you whether you want your final image in the white version or in the pink version. Here I'm showing you that my base color is white and I have pink color on the top. In the final design, I have base color in the background and I have white color like white font on the front. When I will show you the final image, you can see. Here I'm just telling you the options that you have. You have so many options. You can choose whatever you want. I've done so many experiments, and this is just a simple tutorial to show you how you can create your very own version of this design. Now I'm aligning my text. After that, I will add some stars in this image. It's up to you. If you want to add some stars, you can add it. I'm choosing the white color for my stars. I will simply go in the element section, and as I have shown you already, that you will write the stars and you will get so many stars, and you can change the color of the stars. Now I'm changing the color of the font as well. So now this is our final image. As you can see, I have added some stars in this design. You can change the alignment of the design as well. As I told you that in the final version of this design, I have chosen the white font on the front side, and I have chosen the dark pink font as my base font. You can simply do this by going into the layers, and from the layer section you can click backward and you will get the white font on the front side of the design. So this is our final design. I chose the white font on the front side and pink on the back side. It's totally up to you. You can either choose white or pink. You can add stars as well. It's totally up to you. As I told you guys in the beginning of the video that there's a surprise at the end of the video. I'm sharing my prompt with you guys. I will paste that prompt in the comment section. You can simply go in the comment section and copy it, and you can generate your own Grinch image. Please keep in mind that every single time you will paste your prompt in any of the AI image generators, you will get a different image. So maybe if you will paste the prompt that you will copy from the comment section, you will not get the same Grinch image as I have shown you in this video. So I tried my best to help you guys for this Christmas by sharing one of my designs. I hope you like today's video. If you like my channel, you can subscribe my channel as well. Thank you for watching.